today's the day. Oh boy. A lot of you guys have been wondering when this was going to happen. A lot of you guys are probably wondering if it was going to happen. But yes, today I sold my C10. I probably really am going to miss this truck. Chris is over there. Shout out to Chris for filming. I know my camera's probably making a bunch of weird focusing noises. I'm sorry. But, heck yeah. So, the camera's probably out of focus. But, yeah, truck's behind me. We're going to go back to my house, clean it up just the last little bit. He's about 20 minutes out. So, the new owner will be here, pick up his truck, and drive it away. And we'll sell the truck and move on to the next project. So, yeah, I just wanted to say a really big thank you to everyone who helped me on this truck get it to where it is now. It came from a spray painted piece of junk all the way to this nice truck. Big thank you to Chris for helping me film that little cinematic thing. You guys can let me know what you think about that. Never done it before, but I thought it would be kind of interesting and different. So you guys can let me know what you think about that in the comments below. We're going to clean this truck up and say goodbye to it. Say goodbye to the old C10. Oh, that's sad. I never even got to take it to the desert. I think I jumped it like once, and I have kind of a video of it. It's kind of sad. Maybe I can hook up with him and he'll jump it, but regardless, thanks for sticking with me through this project, all the four guys. I really appreciate it. So, wave goodbye. Man, this sucks.
There she goes.
No.
That's the neighbor's car.
Dang. Oh boy. Alright, well, that's the end of my first Chevy deal, I guess. Oh boy. Everyone tells me about seller's remorse, whether you like the vehicle or not. I don't think I've had one that bad. That sucked. That really did suck. Now I gotta clean my driveway. But regardless, he invited me down to his shop when he's gonna work on it. He's probably gonna take the truck a little bit further than I wanted to, which is really cool. He's a really nice guy. He's gonna take really good care of the truck, which I really was wanting in the original place. So super stoked about that. Glad he enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun with the truck. A lot of you guys enjoyed it. So I don't really know what's next, to be honest. Let me know what I should get down below. What we should do, change it up. Should I just put all my money in my F100? I don't really know. But yeah, big thank you to Chris for helping me film again. And everyone who's helped me on this project. Sean, Chris, Marty, everyone that just kind of like hung out, helped. It really means the world to me with all the support with this truck. So thank you guys so much. So you guys will see the truck. It's not never going to be seen again kind of thing. He's probably just going to take it to the next level, which is really cool. I wanted someone to do that. So, but yeah, I don't really know what the future holds for me. I mean, I want to get my 5-speed in finally. The reason you haven't been seeing any updates with my truck is just because I've been finishing and making sure that that truck's good. So he has a nice reliable truck that he can drive around. Now I'm ready to go ahead and finish up my truck because I started it and now I'm like stuck in the middle. I got to put it all back together. So we're going to get all that back together pretty shortly here. Should take the next few days and then it should be back in one piece at least, or close to it. And then I got to wait for a drive shaft and then my truck will drive. And then I don't really know what else I'll do from there. I might just put all my money into my truck and the suspension, the Crown Vic setup, or I might buy another small project. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. Like the video, enjoy. Let me know what you think about that cinematic little video that was different. This video might have been a little bit shorter, but oh well. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.